In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable third-party cookies in Google Chrome. If you've ever encountered issues with websites not functioning properly or noticed that certain online features are missing, enabling third-party cookies might just be the solution you need. For those wondering, third-party cookies are small pieces of data used by websites other than the one you're currently visiting, usually to deliver more personalized ads and enhance your browsing experience. Let's dive into how you can enable them for smoother web interactions. To begin, open up Google Chrome on your device. If this is the first time you're doing this in a while, make sure your browser is up to date to avoid any hiccups in the process we're about to undertake. Once you're in Chrome, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen, where you'll see 3 vertical dots. This is your menu button, and clicking it will reveal a drop-down menu full of options and settings that allow you to customize your Chrome experience. From this drop-down, you'll want to head over to the Settings option. It's towards the bottom, so you might have to do a quick scroll down. Clicking Settings will open a new tab, diving you right into the heart of your Chrome's customization capabilities. On the left-hand side of this settings page, you're going to find a column of tabs. The one we're focusing on today is Privacy and Security. Privacy and security consist of various features intended to keep your browsing activity protected, but it also holds the key to your cookie settings. Within the Privacy and Security section, find and click on Site Settings. This page gives you control over specific permissions set by websites, such as location, camera access, and importantly, cookies. Now, look for the option titled Third-Party Cookies. It might require a scroll depending on your screen's layout, but it shouldn't be too difficult to locate. Clicking this option will bring up various settings related to cookie control. In this step, you'll see a few different choices. If, for some reason, third-party cookies have been disabled, you'll want to go ahead and select Allow Third-Party Cookies. This will ensure that cookies from third-party sites can be stored and accessed on your browser, potentially resolving any issues you've been experiencing with website functionality. And there you have it, a simple yet effective process to allow third-party cookies in Google Chrome. By doing so, you might notice smoother interactions with online content and fewer interruptions when accessing certain features. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. I hope it helps enhance your browsing experience. If you found this guide useful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy tips and tricks. Enjoy your browsing, and I'll see you in the next video.